This holiday season, the Missouri Department of Conservation needs you to check more than your holiday list. December 14th is the National Christmas Bird Count put together by the National Audubon Society. Volunteers set on foot across mid-Missouri to tally the population of various species.
So there's a lot of ecosystem functions that birds do that kind of can go unnoticed.
It's an important check on an animal vital to the ecosystem and also has deep history. It started at the turn of the 20th century as a way to reduce poaching. Shortly after, a new hobby was born.
And that fed into the development of birding or bird watching, or as a pastime or a hobby, as well as a bird field ornithology as a science kind of came along as well.
It's now one of the largest citizen science, meaning data collected by the general public, events in the country. It's a great way to get bird watchers, professional and amateur, out the door to bird during the winter months.
It's a really exciting effort in a time of year when not everyone birds.
Garrett Jones, KOMU 8 News, Jefferson City.